We're on.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Lord. Just checking the locks, so they're not responding. Right, Judge. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning.
Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Shaniqua Lewis. Case numbers SP 1914970, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1914971. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Shaniqua Lewis.
Okay, Ms. Lewis, you asked for an appointed attorney, is that correct?
No. Oh, yes, I think I did, yes.
Well, your matter was you're in pretrial status and you never heard from that appointed attorney?
No.
Can we get one appointed to her on the spot, please? I think there's been no, I'm gonna try to get that attorney in here now for you, ma'am. Give me a few minutes and we'll pass the matter and see if we can get an attorney for you.
Okay.
What happened to Michael Golden? You didn't see any of these? Maybe I need to print them out. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Jerry Leo Lawson. Case number Z8 101291. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
No, not you, Mr. Berry. He's got a retained attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Brendan Dabalski appearing on behalf of Jerry Lawson. Mr. Lawson, state your name for the record. My P number is P70713. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Good morning, Counsel. Mr. Lawson, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Jerry Lawson.
All right, date and time is set for a pretrial. Mr. Lawson, I'm going to put some conditions on you. I'm gonna to put a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna require you to test one time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without court's permission. And no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm going to refer this matter to probation. And I'll need a good phone number from you. You can put it in the chat if you don't want it to go on YouTube.
I don't care if it goes on YouTube.
All right, go ahead, sir.
313-478-6932.
478-6932. The number to probation is 313-965-3414. Mr. Lawson, I'm going to set a pretrial date for August the 11th, 2026 at 8:30. I know it's Friday today, it's Friday. You shouldn't have to contact probation. Probation should contact you. However, if you don't hear from probation, I don't expect to have a test this week, but if you don't hear from, I expect to have a test by next week and every week thereafter until the conditions change or the case is resolved. I expect that the test.
State the probation number again one time, please.
313-965-3414. I give you that number just in case you don't hear from probation by next week. I want you to be proactive instead of being reactive. I want to see the test. I want to see the test being negative. If there's a positive test, a missed test, or a diluted test, we're going to up the ante on the bond. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Anything further, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
The attorney on this is Alan Soroki. I did try calling, but it went to voicemail. I'll see what else I can.
Okay, very good. Ms. Lewis, we have identified your attorney. We're just gonna get in touch with him and get him in here as soon as we can, okay?
Okay.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Willie D. Lacey. Case number SP 178-1946-1, 178. Strike that. SP 187-5301 and SP 19094971. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Chair Rica Harris, P72832 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Willie Lacey.
Willie Lacey.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time and it's set for a pretrial. It's my understanding your client wants a trial date, Ms. Harris?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Lacey, that trial date will be August the 11th at 9 a.m. If it's nothing, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day. This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Tyrone Golden. Case number SP 1920198, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Golden.
Mr. Golden, Michael Golden. You have to unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. Good morning to you. Michael Golden. All right. Let's pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Desmond Greer. Case number SP 1911977, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1911978, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1912011 and SP 1912021. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Oh, that's
on behalf
me,
of-
Mr. Berry.
Sorry.
No problem.
Good morning to you, Mr. Johnson. Appearance for
Morning,
the
Judge.
record, please.
Met Peace Court, Vassal Johnson, the second P 72130 on behalf of Desmond Greer.
All right, day's date and time is set for a pretrial. What's your client want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. Can we pass the matter briefly so I can speak with him?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Brewer, state your name for the record, please.
Desmond Greer, for the record.
All right, good morning to you. There's date and time set for, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Johnson. He's gonna work some things out. He's gonna come see you. I'm gonna join the room. We'll pass the matter, okay? He may attempt to get you an update. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Is Michael Golden here? Michael Golden? City of Detroit versus Lamonte Julius Green Jr. Case number SP 1875150, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Lamonte Julius Green Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. There's date and time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry, purpose of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Joanne Marie Lesson. Case number SP 191-76791. Appearance for the record, please. Forgive me if I mispronounce your name.
It's okay. I'm here. Tony Leeson.
Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Tony Leeson.
Lisa. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Oh, Lord.
You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass the matter. On the telephone at 313-857-8690. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Todd Ruffin Jackson.
Say that again.
Todd Ruffin Jackson.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
One outside of you, I'm gonna put you in the breakout. I'm gonna assign you to the breakout room. You can sit in the main session or join it if you need to. I got you checked in. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Anyone ready? Attorneys? All right, let's go back on the record, Ms. Leeson. Ms. Leeson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are requesting the appointment of counsel.
Okay, Ms. Leeson, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, I'm gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. The next court date is going to be August the 11th, 2026 at 8:30. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Christopher Blake Larkin. Case number SP 185-33281, SP 192-1412, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Christopher Larkin.
All right, turn your camera on, sir. Put
It's
some
on.
light, turn some light on. I need to see you. Day's date and time is set for arraignment on the bench warrant, and these other matters are in warrant status, Ms. Harris, and there was a request for an appointed attorney, but Mr. Larkin's missed his date. Appearance for the record, please. For purpose of arraignment, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled. Your Honor, I would also ask to renew that request for counsel to be appointed.
All right, he's some new cases as well. I'll call the warrants. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Are you seeking to get an attorney, sir?
Yes.
Let's see if we can get him one on the spot. There was a request in there. I know good morning to you. I know he did not show, so let's see what will happen if they can get him one. I'll pass the matter. We'll try to get you that attorney.
Okay.
But you can't keep missing court dates, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Amarion Gaskin, who requested an attorney as well. Case number SP 1901646, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Amarion Gaskin, can you unmute yourself, please?
Amarion Gaskin.
Morning to you, sir. I guess we're gonna have to get you an appointed attorney as well. We're gonna work on that right now.
Okay.
No one's called you, have they?
Yeah, somebody texted me and they sent me the Zoom and everything. I don't know what. Let me see.
I have one for Gaskin, I believe.
It's Johnson Law Firm or something like that.
Basil Johnson.
Yeah, Vassal Johnson, yeah.
Here. All right, we have one for Gaston. All right, let me pass the matter. And get you in the breakout room with Mr. Johnson.
Okay, the other one is Samuel Ragnar.
Oh, Ragnon for
Larkin.
for Mr. Larkin. Okay, great. Mr. Gaskin, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 11. Join that room and wait on Mr. Johnson. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Mr. Ragnon, you have another appointment here. That would be Christopher Larkin.
Okay, Your Honor. That's fine.
He has more cases. We've already arraigned him and recalled the warrant. He has the one that's on the docket of alcohol-related violation. He also has an allegation of park closed, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver, and a no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay.
I'll put him in breakout room 12.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will take care of that now.
All right. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit, and this individual asked for an appointed attorney as well. This appointed attorney as well. I imagine most people.
I think they've all been requested, but we just don't know who. I'll call and
This is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Tanae Gaines. Give me the correct pronunciation, ma'am. Unmute yourself, start your camera. Ms. Gaines.
Yes.
Good morning. Give me the
Good morning.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
Tanae.
Good morning to you. Today is this is the city of Detroit versus Tanae Gaines. Case number SB 1621602, counts 1 and counts 2. SX 4688267, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Ms. Harris.
okay, that'll work. Thank you so much. All right.
Sherrica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Basil Johnson.
All right, Ms. Gaines, today is date and
Yes.
time. Ms. Harris, today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
Purposes of arraignment, the client stands mute.
I'm gonna enter a
The
not
warrants be
guilty.
recalled. I apologize.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gaines, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep it. Don't like the offer. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid documents. We request dismissal.
Mr. Green, I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. Good morning.
Yeah, you too.
What's your name, officer? Navarro. Good morning to you, Officer Navarro. All right, I have you checked in.
Really?
Did we get Kenneth Lacy and check Lacy's file? I think he's supposed to be testing. I think we've already arranged that.
Yeah, he is supposed to be tested. Let's see.
Can we get probation, please?
Yeah.
Mr. Soroki, are you ready on Lewis? All these cases have already been. In if they fell off. Officer Lucas, good morning to you. What is your defendant's name? Samsung, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Good morning to you. Officer Lucas.
Yes, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning to you. What is your defendant's name?
Mr. Grimes. I believe it's
John Grimes. He's here. I'm gonna put you.
I have a S Grimes. A Grimes S.
Yeah, S Grimes is here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in the assign you to the breakout room. You don't need to join. The prosecutor will meet you in one. Good morning to you. The Samsung, you have to unmute yourself and start your camera. Bless you.
Thank you.
Richardson.
Morning, sir.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. On the telephone at 313-694-4419. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Good morning. Clyde Lynch.
Clyde Lynch. Good morning to you, Mr. Lynch.
Good morning.
Well, I sound like I'm always the last person.
Alicia Richardson. Richardson, good morning to you.
Hello, sir. This is for Stephen Gonzalez. He doesn't have an email address, a laptop, a phone, or anything, so he's using my daughter's laptop.
Steve Gonzalez, does he need an interpreter? Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Does he need an interpreter?
No.
Okay. Okay, let's see, where are we? Good morning, Mr. Gaithright. You're waiting. Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
All right, let's see.
Your Honor, I have Mr. Leclerc. He's requesting a bench trial date.
Give me 1 second. City of Detroit versus the Keisha Renee Glover. Case numbers SP 1921229, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1921286, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glover.
Lakeisha Renee Glover. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Ogletree, who did you say?
Michael Leclerc.
City of Detroit versus Michael Paul Leclerc. Case number SP 188-65541. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, about for Mr. Michael Leclerc. Mr. Leclerc, please state your name.
Michael Paul Leclerc.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Is my understanding your client wants a trial date?
Yes, a bench trial.
All right, that'll be August the 11th, 2026, Mr. Leclerc, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right. Anybody else, Mr. Ogletree?
No, I'm just waiting on the other one.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaines. Ms. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pretrial date, and if there are any reinstatement fees that need to be paid, we're asking for permission to pay those up front.
I don't see any reinstatement fees. I'll give you, she's had a pretrial date, but I'll give you another pretrial date. I guess you missed your court date. You can't keep missing dates.
Is this Miss for me?
No, take that bonnet off your head, ma'am. Is that a bonnet on you?
No, I'm about to wash my hair. I gotta get my hair. I gotta take it off.
Listen,
I'm
please.
sorry.
Listen, get yourself together. Put some
I got a
clothes
hat
on.
on. I got a hat
Listen,
on.
wait a minute. Get yourself together. Be prepared for court. All right? Turn your camera off and get yourself together, please.
Yes, sir.
All right. Miss Gaines, are you there? Oh,
Okay, I'm together. This is what it's gonna be for today.
yes. Okay. That's Soroki's client.
Yes.
Yes. All right. You didn't show up for court yesterday, ma'am. You did
I'm
not.
sorry. I apologize to the court, Your Honor.
Just listen to me. Stop talking, please. You did not do your pre-sentence report either.
What's a
You have
pre-sentence?
you have to do the. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney. You have to do the pre-sentence report. He'll explain it to you. Where's Miss Gaines, Miss Gaines? Are you there?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gaines. I'm gonna give you Miss Gaines. You can't keep missing court dates. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of August the 11th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus James Jamal Galt. Case number SP 1923030, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
James Galt.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Ms. O'Driscoll, good morning to you.
Your Honor,
Are you here for Lacey?
I am.
And how has he been testing?
He has been testing good. He tests positive for THC, but no alcohol or any other substances.
All right, thank you. Who is his, Mr. Lacey, are you there? All right, thank you, Mr. Driscoll. You have a great weekend if I don't see you anymore
Thanks.
today.
You too. Here we go.
Mr. Gatewright, Mr. Ragnon is your attorney. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. He's gonna come see you. And we're gonna give the officers the half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, Mr. Ragnon will deal with it. If he does not appear, then we'll get you out of here. They do, well, we already have some officers here anyway, so they'll get you taken care of, all right?
Okay. Thank
Join
you.
the room. Pass the matter. Good morning, Officer Obey.
Do you have an attorney for Graves?
No, yeah, Graves is Miss Harris. Good morning, Officer Martin. Good morning, Officer Labarge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Officer Williams. Good morning, Officer Green and Officer Stewart. Two, 319-3953. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Terry Goodwin.
Terry Goodwin. Okay, there we go. City of Detroit versus Terry Grant Goodwin. Case number
Yes.
SP 184-59351. Mr. Goodwin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Terry Goodwin.
All right, Mr. Goodwin, today as the date and time is set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240, and I don't see that you paid it.
I try to tell you, I was laid off and I just started my job back, and I'm gonna give him something today. I'll go to Escort and put something in today.
When
as soon as I get paid.
When can you have it paid off?
I got it paid off at the end of this month. 'Cause I just started back working.
I'm gonna give you till August the 24th to get it paid.
All right, it'll be
Congratulations on
done.
having it paid. Come back August 24th. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest
All
of
right,
the day.
it'll be done. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Galt. Mr. Galt, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
Mr. Galt, that's what you want?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date for August the 11th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by that date, I will get one appointed to you on the spot on August the 11th, all right? I just ask you to answer the call. If you don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Okay, sir?
Sounds good.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
This is City of Detroit versus Donald Bernard Graves Jr. Case number is SP 168-49921, SP 1917689, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 191776611. Appearance for the record, please.
Donna Graves.
Chair Harris on behalf of Mr. Graves.
All right, Mr. Graves, good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a, some of the matters are in warrant status, Ms. Harris. For purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Are not guilty.
We would ask for a trial date. I apologize. And Mr. Graves, I'll call you after.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Graves, I'm going to set this matter for trial at August the 11th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay. All right. Can I show proof of my insurance and registration?
Mr. Graves,
Yeah.
I am going to call you after. Please log off and we will discuss these matters again.
Okay. All right.
Have a great day. City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Noah Alexander Greer, case number SP 1921632, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 192166671. appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Noah Greer.
Good morning to you, sir. Day of date and time. It is set for a pretrial. I'm put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lewis, Miss Shaniqua Lewis. Miss Lewis, Mr. Shiroki, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Is he not here? All right. Who's ready? Pass that matter. Who's ready?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Who do you have?
I have Mr. Christopher Larkin. I was just appointed that case. We're ready to ask the court to set up for another pretrial so I can gather the evidence, all of this case.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Larkin. Mr. Ragnon, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157. Mr. Larkin, can you state your full name for the court, please?
Christopher Larkin.
All
Your
right,
Honor,
today is date
I'm
and
sorry.
time set for a arraignment on the bench. We've already arraigned them. You want a pretrial date, correct, counselor?
Yes, please.
And what about August the 11th?
That will be fine, Your Honor.
All right, August the 11th, Mr. Larkin. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you
You're
very
welcome.
much, Your Honor.
Bye.
Larkin will be in touch.
Anyone else ready? What's that? Miss Gay, this is the last time I'm going to say something to you. Put some extra clothes on.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Listen, ma'am, you put a robe on.
I got a t-shirt on.
Do you have
Okay.
some problems? Do you have a
Yeah.
problem? Do you have a problem?
No, sir.
Go put yourself together like you're coming to court.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the failure to disclose a CPL, that is to say 28.425 F4. She would enter a plea to that. And as to the speeding ticket, limited access 1 to 5 miles over. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. That's going to be $125. And I'm going to find you responsible as charged for failure to disclose under the F4 statute, which would be $100. I'll dismiss the other cases, or 225. When can you pay it?
I can pay the 125. Can I don't have the whole 225. Can I pay 125 next Friday and then pay the other? I get paid every week, so.
So will you have it by pay it, make sure it's paid by August 24th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Make sure it's under that $100 statute. I wrote it down. Make sure that's correct. F4. Garnica, are you there? Or Todd Gatz? This is the city of Detroit versus Todd Dante Ruffin Gatson. Case number SP 191-57551. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant.
Is that your client, Mr. Soroki?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Gatson, press *6 to unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please.
Ruffin Gatson. Ruffin Gatson.
All right. Good morning to you. Have you had an opportunity to speak with your client, Mr. Soroki?
Not this morning yet, Your Honor. I didn't know he had checked in.
All right.
I have an offer for him. I'll relay his offer, talk to him, put him in a breakout room. Talk to him about his offer.
Mr. Gatson, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Soroki. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right. I have an offer right now, Your Honor.
All right, go speak with him in the breakout room, please.
Okay, no.
Pass the matter.
Just quickly, Your Honor. So it's under the F5 now,
F4.
and you want it to be, or it should be F4.
Yeah, F4 should be the $100 one.
Okay, I will.
And it's not going to suspend her her license.
Okay.
Mr. Johnson, are you ready on anyone?
I'm ready on 4 matters, Your Honor. I have to speak to the
Lacey. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Kenneth Darnell Lacey, case number Z8100811. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Basil Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Mr. Lacey. He is on Zoom.
Mr. Lacey, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Lacey want to do? State your name for the record, Mr. Lacey.
Kenneth Darnell Lacey.
All right, good morning to you. What does Mr. Lacey want to do, Mr.
Good morning to you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. We spoke at length. I spoke with Ms. Horn. I'm asking that we adjourn the pretrial so that I can submit a deviation on his behalf.
I'm going to give you August the 11th. Good.
That's fine.
August the 11th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lacey, all bond conditions remain the same. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you. Okay.
Yes, sir. You do. You too.
Thanks. Who's next, Mr. Johnson?
Can we do Desmond Greer?
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Desmond Greer. Mr. Johnson, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Greer, please?
May it please Honorable Court, Basil Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Desmond Greer.
What does Mr. Greer want to do?
Judge, I would at this time, just being general, just withdraw based on a difference of opinion to the extent that I cannot effectively represent Mr. Greer.
This is not gonna keep happening like this. You asked for an attorney, sir. We get you an attorney. And now, either you're gonna set a trial date and do this on your own, or we're just gonna move on. And, this is going on too long. What is the problem?
Well, the problem with what is not with me.
Well, that isn't true.
I'm sure it's not. All right, well, we're not gonna appoint you another attorney. You're gonna have to either get an attorney on your own now, or you're just gonna have to go ahead with the trial. I think this is a matter that needs to be best served as a jury trial as well. Are you gonna hire your own attorney, sir?
I have to see if I can get another counsel, or I have to try to like see what I can do.
Well, we're not gonna wait. We're not gonna wait on that.
Can I move
You've
to
had-
ask for dismissal?
You can, but I'm not gonna grant it. What is the basis? So let me hear your basis first. What's your basis for a dismissal? All right, he doesn't have one, I guess.
Well, I'm not. I mean, let me see.
Can I get a jury?
Hello, your screen paused, Your Honor.
No, I'm listening. I'm trying to
Oh.
hear your basis for a dismissal.
Well, I was trying to ask for a dismissal due to it's not going to be treated very fair.
Well, I'm not gonna deny that. I don't see why you would. You know, I guess you probably don't think anything is going to be fair. That's not I mean, I'm not going to grant that because I'm going to be fair.
I know you fair.
So, who represented you
Well,
before?
I got so it's gonna be kind of conflicted. I got other trials coming up, so that's what I was asking. Then due to my job conflict,
I'm not going to be concerned about that. We've given you every opportunity. We have to move these cases along now. And you're the one that has an issue with who represented Mr. Greer before. Ms. Harris, did you talk to Mr. Greer?
I believe at one point I did. He definitely needs to have his own counsel, Your Honor. He has a great attorney now. But if he needs that time, I would ask the court to give him that time.
I can't understand you.
Coming through kind of muffled, Ms. Harris.
I apologize. Can you hear me now?
Hello, yes.
I believe I did speak to him before, and he was very adamant about having counsel. I would ask the court to either appoint counsel, which I believe he has, and I think he has a great attorney, or if he wants to hire his own and move forward with trial, I definitely think he needs counsel beyond having house counsel assist him.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and we've already appointed you an attorney, and we're not gonna keep on appointing an attorney. We gave you the attorney. If you want it, you're entitled to bring in any attorney that you choose. But we're not gonna keep going back and forth, adjourning these matters. It was set for trial on July the 6th. It was I think that's when we had it. Oh, you just got the attorney today, and you
that's
can't.
what I'm saying.
All right. I'm gonna set it for a jury trial. Let the jury of your six, you'll see if they're fair to you. We'll pass it. We'll pass the matter. We'll get a jury trial date and get you out of here. So.
Okay.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yeah, on Erica Gardner, has the officer checked in? Have it being Kevin Bryant?
City of Detroit versus Erica Nicole Gardner, case number SP 188-47991. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, please state your name.
Erica Nicole Gardner.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. We're talking about Officer Bryant. There's no Officer Bryant on my list.
Respectful request and a dismissal.
We'll dismiss the case for no officer. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gardner, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. You as well.
All right, you're welcome. Who's ready?
Thank
Who's
you,
next?
Ogletree.
Yeah, I'm ready.
And Your Honor,
Dolly,
if the people could have privileges, please.
Officer Dolly appears to be late for gate right.
Here we have, jury, we actually do have 8 of. Or,
Probably not gonna be good now. We've got signed.
right, the next one is 825.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Noah Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client has valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
Dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Garnica.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name, please.
It's Laboria Garnica.
Laboria Garnica. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
No, you're good.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alberto Garnica. Case number SP 180-13002, SP 180-13011. Appearance for the record, please.
Laboria Garnica.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Good morning to both. Today is date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garnica, you were supposed to pay $240. I see you paid one and you haven't paid the other. What's going on?
I didn't know I had to pay the other one. I could have sworn I paid like $4 something for both of them.
It's reading here, you paid one. The transporting marijuana, I will dismiss that case at this time. And if you swore you paid both of them, I'll give you another 30 days to come down and figure it out.
Appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you. I'll look into it.
Don't miss the date. Come back on the 24th of August, 2026. You'll figure that out, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
All right, you're welcome. Steve Gonzalez.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Morning. This is the City of Detroit versus Steve Gonzalez, case number SP 167-99741, SP 171-60621, SP 1760584, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 188-71491, SP 189-6480, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 191-8091, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Steve Gonzalez. Steve Gonzalez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the warrants and show cause for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information, Your Honor, and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, do you have your ink pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
In the park after dark, alcohol-related violation, loitering, alcohol-related violation, loitering, alcohol-related violation, loitering. Mr. Mr. Gonzalez, do you need some alcohol treatment?
Yes, I do.
Let's see if we can get him into the program. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's contact specialty court. I'm going to forward this to you, Ms. Schmidt. I don't see your. Oh, this is. I'm going to forward that to you. Contact the court down there and see if we can get a specialty court attorney in here for Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact the specialty court, see if we can get an attorney in here for you. They'll explain the program to you and give you an opportunity to go and ask questions and go over it. And well, they're going to check your eligibility first. I'm going to pass the matter. As soon as they get here, I'll get you into a breakout room with one of the attorneys, okay?
Sir, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Cortez Lewis, case number SP 178866262. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Cortez Lewis.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, you were supposed to pay $240. I don't see you ever paid.
I've been off work and literally been trying to get back for like the last 2 months. My truck always up and down. I drive semis, so I can't control the shops. So.
I'm gonna give you another 30 days. So I'll be praying for you to get that work real soon. Come back on. Just don't miss the court date, okay?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Come back on. You want to do some community service to clear it up?
I mean, what kind of community service? I'm open to anything.
12 hours, we can get you to our community service coordinator. 12 hours of community service will close the matter out, dismiss the case, or whatever we said we would do when you entered into the agreement. You want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Very good. All right, let me, I'm gonna give you the number to the community service.
Okay.
You shouldn't have to call them, they should call you, but if it gets down to the point where a few weeks go by or a week or so go by, you haven't heard from them, you can always contact them and you can always zoom into the court. You have an ink pen ready?
All right. Grab one right now. Sorry. I'm ready.
313
Okay.
965-8130. 313-965-8130. Miss Shelton is the community service coordinator. She should call you. Again, you shouldn't have to call her. She should call you. But if you find yourself in seeing that she hasn't called, reach out to her. And 12 hours of community service, she should get you somewhere in your area. We'll close it out like that. I'm going to give you 30 days. Come back on. Well, I do need to get a phone number from you.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm born ready.
313-268-4079. 313-268-4079.
4079.
Yeah. 4079.
All right. Again, I'm gonna, again, you shouldn't have to call her. They should call you, but I give you that number just in case you don't hear from them. I'll set a review date for August the 24th.
Okay.
At 25. I'll be still praying that you get that secure that employment as well, sir. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day. Okay?
You as well.
Thank you. On the Samsung device, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Sir.
I'm Lily Lauren. I had got disconnected.
On the Samsung, unmute yourself, sir. You have to unmute yourself.
Sergeant Taylor.
What is your name?
Sergeant Taylor.
Sergeant Taylor.
Yes.
You were here earlier. And you didn't unmute yourself, so who are you here on?
I'll look up the paperwork.
Sergeant Taylor?
Yes, sir. I'm here for OWI.
Who's your defendant?
I'm trying to find the paperwork.
All right, who's ready?
I am Judge.
Who do you have?
Breon Gray, Amarian Gaskin, and
All right,
Joseph.
let's go back on the record with, let's call the City of Detroit versus Amarian Gaskin, case number ST190-1646, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Gaskin. He's on Zoom.
Mr. Gaskin, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Unmute yourself.
Amarian Gaskin. And good morning.
Good morning. Today is date and time is set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Gaskin want to do?
Judge, city's moving to dismiss. We have no objections on both matters.
I'm sure. Per city attorney. Mr. Gaskin, your cases are dismissed. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit versus Breonna Gray. Case number SB190-1106, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Gray. He's on Zoom.
Miss Breonna, that's Mr. Gray?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gray, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Breon Gray.
Breon Gray. A day, as date, and time is set for a pretrial. What's your client want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Set it for a bench trial date.
Trial date is going to be August the 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You said August 11th, 8:30?
August 11th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
9.
Thank you.
And just one more.
Judge, this is Sergeant Taylor again.
All right, who's ready?
Judge, I have one more.
Ellis. Okay, go
Who's
ahead.
the other one?
Joseph Gaston. It's a dismissal per city.
Judge, this is Sergeant Taylor. I'm here on the Charles Gathright.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Joseph Anthony Gaston, case number SP, strike that, V14071426, V14071526. I don't believe he ever appeared, did he, Mr.?
I don't believe so, Judge, but I would ask to waive his appearance since the city is dismissing outright.
I'll waive your client's presence. The city, clearance for the record, please.
May it please the Court, Vassal Johnson II on behalf of Mr. Gaston, ask to waive his appearance for today.
Yo. Y'all up?
Oh my goodness. Case is dismissed, Mr. Johnson. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Judge. Good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you as well. All right, Soroki.
Yes, we're ready. And Shanika Lewis, Your Honor, she has a plea.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Shanika Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you the opportunity to speak to counsel. Your client, you worked out a deal for Ms. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is that?
Okay, for the record, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. The offer of the prosecution is Miss Lewis on the open alcohol driver ticket that'll be pled as charged and will be reduced to open alcohol passenger. Then the disregarding traffic control device will be, that is a civil infraction, and that will be reduced to limited access 1 to 5. The remaining tickets of no insurance and improper plates will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
And you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You know there's going to be 2 points on your driver's license as well, ma'am?
Yes.
Let me draw your attention back to May 19th, 2026, around 3:37 p.m., City of Detroit area of Grand Boulevard and Wabash. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Were you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
Cutwater can.
Cutwater can. Was it something in the can?
No.
Okay. We can't take the deal. We have to set it for trial. All right. It's not illegal to have an empty can in your car, ma'am. You know, that's just what it is. If it's, we're gonna set the matter for trial on August the 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Soroki.
That's fine.
All right, if there's nothing further, Miss Lewis, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay? Do you have Mrs. Lewis' contact information, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a very good rest of your day, Miss Lewis. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day, ma'am.
And who else, Mr. Soroki? I have Miss
Todd Gatson.
Gatson. Is he ready?
Yes, Your Honor. He's requesting a bench trial.
Mr. Joseph Gatson, your matter is dismissed, sir.
Okay.
Be safe. Up to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Todd Dante Ruppin Gatson. Mr. Soroki, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Ruppin Gatson.
All right. Good morning to you again. Your client wants a trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. A bench trial date. We could do it on the 11th, the same as the other date.
All right. November the 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
That's August, Your Honor.
August, I'm sorry. August the 11th. August the 11th. Sorry. If nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Gatson. Best of luck.
What time?
At 9 a.m. August the 11th.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right. You too. Thank you.
No, thank you. Your client, Mr. Soroki, Ms. Gantz.
Right.
She's here. That's the one that had the pre-sentence. She's not been testing. Let's get probation in here. I think I got a letter saying she wasn't testing.
Yes, that's what the last letter said.
All right, we're gonna up the ante on this bond.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, yeah.
Can y'all hear me? Because
Yeah, I can hear
I
you.
did test. I did test.
You test?
Yeah, I test. I was been with my probation officer and everything. And we got dates and everything, me and him. He said he was gonna come in here for me if you called him.
He called Mr. I think it's Officer Thomas.
Thomas.
What was that, yesterday? What was that, a Tuesday? He sent a letter here. Where was that letter?
Okay, thank you. He's joining.
Okay, let's pass it. Anyone else, Mr.
Your Honor,
Soroki?
Your Honor, the letter we got was on Shanta Gantz, Gantz.
This is Gantz.
Gantz, yeah, this is a different person. This Gaze is a different person.
It's
Gantz. See, Gaze is up under my but the email address.
Okay.
It's Gantz, Mr. Here.
Okay. All right, because that's a letter I have, says Gantz. Okay. In any event.
All right. So we have some people here that are sitting in the room that I don't believe I let in. So, Mr. Berry, do you have anyone?
I do not, Your Honor.
Let's get Sierra Gwen.
And one last defendant, Clyde Lynch. I don't think he checked in.
He's in. He's in.
Oh, he's in? Okay.
Detroit versus Sierra Gwen, case number SP191735881. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gwen.
Sierra Gwen.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time and is set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gwen, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. You keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Officer Thomas, good morning to you.
And Your Honor.
Do you have the gas file, or did you? It went downstairs.
Yeah.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shanta Gantz, case number Z8096591. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry for missing yesterday. Apologize to the court.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the
The
defendant, Your
host
Honor.
has asked you to start your video. So, sorry, Judge. Missed the court day yesterday.
Today is the date and time set for was set for the sentencing. Officer Thomas, good morning to you. Can you give us an update on Ms. Gantz, please?
I can, Your Honor. So Miss Gantz was she was referred to our department for a pre-sentence investigation. He didn't make it. She called me the other day stating she had just got my message from July 9th. I did set up an appointment with her for next Thursday at 2 p.m., but I had submitted a return referral. Then Miss Gantz had missed her court date. I had told her she could contact the courtroom today to see if she didn't, just to see if you guys were able to hear her today. If not, then she would have to come down here and clear the personal bond herself. But I do have a date for her set up, so we are going to get this substance abuse evaluation done.
And what about testing?
She did a test yesterday at the drug lab. Not yesterday, 2 days ago at our drug lab, Your Honor. She was not positive for alcohol. She was clean.
And all other tests were clean as well?
So that was her first one, because she again had gotten into contact with myself. You know, when she did reach out, I told her to come in and do one right away before court, just so we would have something, because I didn't want her showing up empty-handed to your courtroom.
Okay. Do you understand what you need to do now, Ms. Gantz?
Yes, my probation officer explained everything to me. Me and him got dates to meet up once a week. I believe it's on Wednesday, Thursday or Wednesday at 2 o'clock every week. I meet up with him to take my alcohol test.
Well, that's a little different, but we're gonna meet this Thursday, next Thursday at 2 p.m., Ms. Gantz, and we're gonna go over all that.
Well, let me explain to you. This doesn't work like that, Ms. Gantz. The alcohol tests are random.
That's fine.
All right, the alcohol tests are random, so you have to make sure you get an understanding. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Soroki.
I'm glad it's random. September the 2nd is my 1 year.
Listen.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Soroki and Officer Thomas. When can we have this sentencing? She's supposed to appear next week. Can we do it in 2 weeks?
I'm just going to ask for 3 weeks if possible, Your Honor, just because of how backed up our department.
I'll give 30 days.
That's perfect. I will have it in 30 days, no issue.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. The bond conditions are still going to be a $5. I'm going to recall the warrant. The bond's going to be $500 personal again. All the other conditions are the same. I'm going to set it for sentencing on August the 24th, 2026 at 10 a.m. Ms. Gantz, please Don't miss these appointments, please. Stay, you say you've been not drinking, and I hope you continue that sobriety. I'm gonna set it for sentencing on August the 24th, 2026, 10 a.m. Before you leave, I want you to speak with Mr. Soroki and Officer Thomas, and make sure that you're fully aware of what you need to do, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Join the room and have a very good day. If you don't have any questions, you're free to leave after you speak with them.
Okay, bless day.
You too.
Your Honor.
Ms. Warfield, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, I have Mr. Gonzalez here. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6 and you can have a conversation with him, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, quick question. What was his matter set for today? Was it just a pretrial? Has he pled on anything?
No, he's not pled on anything. This was set for show cause and warrants. He has had a lot of cases in warrant status.
Got it. Okay, I'll go ahead and have a conversation with him. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room, Mr. Gonzalez. Speak with Ms. Warfield, please, from specialty court. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gwen. Ms. Gwen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Ms. Gwen?
Yes.
All right, trial date is going to be August the 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Clyde Lynch. We're waiting on Mr. Soroki. I think he represents you, right?
I haven't heard from anyone. You know,
Yeah,
I missed
I
the
think
phone call. I haven't heard from anybody.
He's here now. He's oh, what happened to Mr. Mr. Greer left? Mr. Soroki,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you ready on Clyde Lynch?
No, I haven't had the opportunity to talk to him. He
There
just
we
checked
go.
in or something.
He's been here. He just
Okay, if you could put him in a breakout room, and I'm ready.
Join the room, Mr. Lynch.
All right.
Ms. Harris, I didn't get your other message.
I didn't respond. I logged back in. We're okay right now. I'm good. Thank you.
Michael Golden, he's just not connecting the audio. He was connected to audio earlier, but I sent him a chat and he didn't respond, obviously. Ms. Lauren, who's your attorney?
I believe his name's Sam Ragone, Your Honor.
Ragnon. He's here. I think we can get you out of here shortly.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we get probation down here on gate right? Gate right, this one here? I didn't know he had a drink now. All right, let's go call the city of Detroit versus Lily Grace Lauren, case number SP 1-888-5541. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragland, P23-157 for the people, for the defendant, Miss Lauren. Would you state your full name for the record?
Lily Lauren.
Thank you.
Day's date and time is set for a trial. Is Officer Eddie Dunn here? Eddie Dunn. I hear no response. Have not seen that officer check in. Mr. Ragnon.
Your Honor, as a result of the officer failing to show, I'm going to ask that the matter be dismissed.
We'll dismiss the case, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Thank you for your service. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck.
Ms. Lauren.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your service, Ms. Lauren.
Ms. Lauren, I'm sorry. Yeah.
God bless.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day.
Are we ready on Grimes, Mr. Ragnon?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
City of Detroit versus Sean Grimes, case number SP157-24881. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Sean Phillip Grimes.
Thank you.
Oh, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a trial. There was an officer that appeared. Mr. Ragnar?
Yeah, and we have worked out a resolution with the Assistant Prosecutor, Ms. Horn, and that my client, Mr. Grimes, will plead guilty to drunk and disorderly with a 3-month delay, Your Honor.
That was Officer Lucas appeared on Grimes. You want to take the deal, Mr. Grimes?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ragnar went over your other advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
Yes, sir.
Understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me carry your attention back to July the 13th, 2024, around 5:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Ripel and 7 Mile. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you intoxicated out there, sir, in the public?
I wouldn't, and I can't say I was intoxicated, but I was just holding somebody's cup, but I wasn't drinking. I wouldn't, I wouldn't. I can't say I wouldn't. I don't know why, but I wouldn't.
Well, I mean, go ahead.
If I may, Your Honor, the defendant has indicated to me that he was disorderly at that time, approached the police, and yelled something at them.
Yeah.
So I believe that would take care of that.
What did you yell at the police?
It was somebody that worked for me. It was a younger guy, and he had a little mental problem, and I had him cutting grass for me, but I guess he had got in trouble at home with his mother, and he had came outside, and when the police, they grabbed him up, and I was trying to tell him, like, hey, he got a little problem, you know what I'm saying? But they weren't trying to hear it. They started doing whatever they did, you know. But I didn't run. I didn't do none of that. I just stayed there and got put in handcuffs. I talked to his dad too, but, you know, his dad was trying to explain to them what was going on. They ain't want to hear it.
I'm not accepting this message right now.
I understand, Your Honor. I agree. That's so. We'll pass that matter if we could, and maybe go to. I have to talk to Mr. Gathright if you don't mind. Go over these charges.
Yeah, go to Mr. Gathright. He's in 5. Mr. Grimes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow Mr. Ragnar to speak with the city again. Based on what your account of the event is, I can't find you guilty of being drunk in public by those things, and we'll see what they say. The officer was here. If he can't get him back in here, then that's on the city. All right, let me pass the matter, Mr. Grimes, and if Mr. Ragnar needs to speak to you again, he'll sign you in the breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. let's go, oh, this is Mr. Officer Thomas.
Yes, good morning.
Are you here on, Mr. Gatebright?
Yes,
How has he been testing?
he's been testing negative for all substances and affordable testing services. We've got him set up there. I don't have any misses or any issues.
Thank you so much.
Not a
Have
problem.
a great weekend this time. I don't think I'll call you back.
Okay, sounds good.
City of Detroit versus Clyde Lynch, case numbers. This might be the state of Michigan versus Clyde Lynch. The state of Michigan versus Clyde Lynch, case number SX 469-8551, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Soroki, you have to unmute yourself. Mr. Soroki. Mr. Lynch, you talked to Mr. Soroki.
Yeah.
Indicated Mr. Soroki, appearance for the record for Mr.
Ready, Your
Clyde.
Honor. Sorry.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. What does Mr. Lynch want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Lynch is requesting a bench trial in this matter.
All right, I'll set a trial date for August the 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Lynch. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very
All
good
right, 9
rest.
a.m.
Yes.
All right.
And that's
August
by
11th.
Zoom. That's also by Zoom, sir.
All right.
All right, best of luck to you.
Good, thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Steve Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity. Ms. Warfield, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, lead counsel for 36th District Specialty Court.
Okay, I've given you, Mr. Gonzalez, an opportunity to speak with Ms. Warfield. Ms. Warfield, is Mr. Gonzalez, is he a viable candidate?
So, Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez is statutorily eligible for our program. However, Mr. Gonzalez is not interested in the program. I explained to him what the ins and outs would be, what, we can help him with, as I can assume what the court's concerns were, of course. And at this time, Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez is not interested in our program. I did let Mr. Gonzalez know, the legal procedure moving forward, and that if he does change his mind, if he gets to the level of a plea or things of that nature, we can definitely revisit our conversation. But at this time, Your Honor, although he is statutorily eligible, Mr. Gonzalez is not interested.
That's not what he told me. What's going on, Mr. Gonzalez? I thought you wanted some help. I thought you wanted some help.
I do want some help, yeah, but it's going to be kind of hard for me. But
Well, it's gonna be. It's not gonna be easy anyway.
Yeah, I know it ain't going to be easy.
So what are you looking for? Are you looking for something to be? Are you looking for some help, or are you looking for it to be easy? Because if it's easy, it's probably not gonna work.
I know it ain't going to be easy, but I could try. I know.
So why?
I know I
why
can
did
do
you
it,
turn
Your
down
Honor.
the help?
I ain't trying to turn down my help, Your Honor. I need the help.
Your Honor, if I could expound, when we were speaking about treatment options, I know he brought up a barrier with transportation. That the real, I believe, concern of Mr. Gonzalez was treatment options. I was very forthcoming to him about if he assessed for inpatient treatment, that would be an option. That would be the recommendation of the court that he does that. And I know he had some concerns about that as well. I also spoke with him about, testing requirements, and he did have some concerns with that about being able to get back and forth for testing consistently. I again apprised Mr. Gonzalez that we do have resources to help with those things. But again, at this point, Mr. Gonzalez was not interested, and I did tell him that we can revisit if he does, change his minds as he goes through the legal procedures. But the
So
court can
basically-
be assured that he is statutorily eligible for the program. So if it comes up where he's like, he does want that help, we can pick
No.
right back up.
No, so basically, he's not ready. He's not truly ready.
I would say that, Your Honor.
Your Honor, this is his sister, and I'm trying to help.
Put your name on the record. Good morning to you. Put your name on the record, ma'am, please.
Anna Gonzalez.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gonzalez. Go ahead.
I don't want to set him up for failure, and we've been trying to get him.
Stop. That's not that nobody wants to set him up for failure. We want to provide him with the resources that we have to get him back on the right track. There are obstacles. That's going to be whatever in life. He's going through some of the most difficult obstacles in his life right now. He just does not realize it. So setting up for failure, starting that way is not, this doesn't work with the court, because Judge Holmes, Ms. Warfield, they have the best treatment program in the country. This is not about, oh, Mr. Gonzalez, you have slipped up, now we're going to throw you in jail. It's not about that. It's really about.
That's how I thought it was interpreted, that I was asking her if.
It's really about.
He does testing, and I
Slow down. Let me finish.
All right.
Can he go to jail? Of course he can go to jail. And with all these charges, if these allegations are true, he may need to have some jail time to do something to get him in the right frame of mind to get this off his back. But it's more about transparency. It's more about realizing, okay, I have this issue. I have this going on. I need somebody to deal with immediately. I need somebody to work with me on this. And they have those resources that can do those things. I'm not going to say that Judge Holmes won't send him to jail. She will send him to jail, but she's not just going to send him to jail off of one missed or one thing. I don't believe. I believe she's going to give him every opportunity, and she's going to give him a list of resources and a list of numbers to call and contact people to call when he gets into a situation where he understands that he cannot when he has the temptation to drink. And I believe that's his drug of choice, because I'll call it a drug. But that's what this is all about. Now, if he's gonna, how old are you, sir?
He asked you how old you were.
Oh, 51. Your Honor.
61 years old.
Yeah, 61, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, how much, realistically, how much more time do you have to get your life together and get it straight?
You're right about that one. I ain't no spring chicken.
Nobody, we're not getting any younger.
You're right, my Honor.
And I guarantee you, you have a loving sister. She's here standing by your side. I guarantee you, you're taxing on everybody.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, I don't have to, you don't have to, I know. So listen, I can appoint him an attorney. I can do that. You'll have time during this process to make the determination and let us know if you're fully ready to do it. Sooner it's better sooner rather than later, but you have to come to that decision on your own. And we certainly don't want to waste the resource on somebody that's not truly ready to do it, because it is a lot of resources expended when we enter somebody into this program. And and not to say that if you fail, you wasted it, but the fact of the matter is, if you're just not truly ready, you're just not truly ready. So what I'll do is I'll point you an attorney because you're gonna need one for these allegations anyway. Because in front of me, you go to jail because I'm gonna put you on testing. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna have you start testing 1 time per week. Same difference. If you mess up, you're gonna go to jail in front of me as well too. So, I need a good phone number from you and you can put it in the chat if you don't want to say it out loud.
You can use mine, 313-293-2464.
2464.
64, yeah.
I'm gonna refer the matter to probation.
So, Your Honor, when you say testing, I know for a fact that he's not gonna pass.
Well, he's good. Well, that's gonna be on him. Because I have it's a 90-day or 90-day misdemeanor. It's gonna be on him.
So it would be beneficial for him to do the program then, right?
Listen, you guys have to come to that decision on your own. Like I say, beneficial for him. I thought it was beneficial for him when I saw that's why I called Miss Warfield in. But again, if he is not ready, then what are we gonna do? We're gonna just waste resources.
Right.
I know everybody is so focused on jail. Hey, I'm a judge just like Judge Holmes is down there. I have the same ability and the same power to send them to jail. I just don't have the other resources that Miss Warfield and Miss Holmes have over there. So have you started testing 1 time per week? I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I'll set a pretrial date of August the 11th at 8:30. Ms. Warfield, does Mr. Gonzalez have your contact information?
Yes, I did give his sister my direct number. So if they do have any questions moving forward, I will be at their disposal. Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, so he's gonna test anyway, 1 time per week. I do expect to test, I don't expect to test this week, but I do expect to test next week and every week thereafter. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm speaking directly to you. I know I'm actually speaking to your sister through you because she's the one that seems like she's, maintaining things for you. But I need to have a test and I need that test to be negative. If that test is positive, if that test is diluted, if that test is missed, we're gonna up the ante on the bond. Do I have to explain what that means to you?
Explain that to him, Your Honor, because I don't think he fully understands.
So up in the ante means I can either make you test more often, or I can send you to jail. Okay?
Yeah, you're wrong.
Do you understand that?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you the number to probation, just so that you have it. And you always have the opportunity to contact Ms. Warfield. You have the opportunity to zoom back into the court, and you have the opportunity. Now, probation should call you. You should not have to call probation. That number is 313-965-3414. I give you that number just in case by next week, it's getting later on in the week, you haven't heard from them. I need you to be proactive instead of reactive. I need you to get in contact with the court or probation, and Ms. Warfield is kind enough to give you her direct number. You can get in contact with her. We're here to try to help you, sir. We don't want to see you go to jail, and we don't want to see you struggling with this issue for the rest of your life.
Yeah, Mr. Perkins, can I just say something?
You may.
Is there another way that, because testing him every week, he has a dependency problem. So I know he might have to be on medication or something, because he's going to be positive, because every week is, I don't know. I'm just saying that it's gonna be.
I've done, Ms. Gonzalez, I understand and I hear, I really appreciate you coming in for your brother. And I'm glad he's got that support system there. That I've given him the only other option that I've had, only other resource that I can. It's on him now.
Okay.
It's on him. And again, I know you're trying to advocate for your brother. You don't want to see him go to jail. Maybe that might be the best thing for him. Okay.
Well, all right.
You have Miss Warfield's number. She's there. She's sitting there. She hears everything, and she's giving you her personal number. But I've given every resource that I have at my disposal to try to help him. But you guys, he's just not ready for that right now. All right. Any further questions?
Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, August the 11th. August the 11th is the next day. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then you'll get one appointed to you on the spot. And I really encourage you to call Ms. Warfield. She's a very good attorney, and they have a very good program over there. And I wish you the best of luck. I'll be praying for your whole entire family, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
Thank
Best
you,
of
Your
luck.
Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Very
Are
sorry.
we ready on Gaithright?
Yes, we are, Your Honor. Sorry for the delay.
That's all right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Charles Lewis Gaithright, case number SP
Yes, Your Honor.
10944. Good morning to you, sir. SP 109442211, SP 1094538, Z8073011, SP 1197792, SP 1212581, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1213258, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 125-22932, SP 125-5810, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 126-8348, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 129-6987, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 140-5020, 1, SP 143-6848, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 143-68501, SP 144-3305, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 169-0007, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Gaithright. Gaithright, would you state your full name for the court, please?
Charles Lewis Gaithright II.
Gaithright, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a trial date.
Yes.
Mr. I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case again. I do have a plea offer in front of me, and you can tell me if this is your understanding. OWI amended from the high BAC, a failure to display. And for Officer Navarro's case,
It's disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct. I would say this to Mr. Gathright, that I would have looking at these charges, I would have said you probably need some specialty court as well. But I'm happy to say that Officer Thomas zoomed in and he says you've been testing, no issue. So congratulations on that, sir.
Thanks, Your Honor.
You want to take this deal? Is that the deal? Your understanding of the deal? So
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but the disorderly conduct is with a 3-month delay. I just wanted to put that on the record.
Yeah, I think we're gonna get that taken care of with this OWI anyway. We'll see him for a little longer than 3 months, probably.
I've advised him of that, and of his rights to trial by jury and a trial, and all of his rights.
All right. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Ragnow, at
Yes.
some point, went over the other advice of rights, did he not?
Yes. Well, I don't believe I did not provide him a signature for advice of rights. I don't know if he did it before I started representing him. I have gone through his rights every time.
Did you go over his advice of rights?
Yes, Your Honor, I did go over his advice of rights.
All right. And you understood, did he go over those advice of rights with you, Mr. Did you understand those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor. I signed the paper when I appeared at the last court.
You did. You did. And you signed this paper. You understood the rights on this paper, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. What's your date of birth, sir?
September 29th, 1981.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to August the 4th, 2020 at around 6:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Woodward and Euclid. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating a motor vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol prior to or during your operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor. I was.
Hold
yes,
on.
I was from my.
Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. I don't have anything here in the file, I don't believe, Mr. Ragnon, that will have any data master results, I don't think. Maybe this is. Yeah, I do. I do. All right, would you say you did have some alcohol prior to or during the course of the, or while you were operating that motor vehicle? Is that correct, Mr. Gathright?
Yes, yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
And what, would you say that that alcohol impaired your ability to operate the motor vehicle?
Yes.
You know, what type of alcohol did you have, if you recall?
It was, I was coming from a family event. It was a bunch of drinking and smoking and.
It's a party, huh?
Yes.
And do you know how much alcohol you drank before that time?
No, it was a continuation from the day before.
So you were pretty drunk, huh?
Yes.
All right. Will you stipulate to the data master results for the purposes of the plea, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find him guilty of the amended count of operating while intoxicated. Let me draw your attention back to March the 3rd, 2023 at around 8:56 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Southfield Freeway and Joy Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
I ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, my license was suspended.
Very well, find them guilty of that. And let me draw your attention back to March the 18th, 2025 at around 8:32 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Schaefer and Florence. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what was going on that day? Where, let me just ask you this. Where, did you do something out there to cause a police presence, sir?
Me and my brother.
Just answer this, just, it'll be easier. Just, you did something to cause a police presence?
Yes, the police, yes.
And would you agree that that police presence that you caused disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you satisfied, Mr. Ragnar?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
And the court is satisfied. I want to find him guilty as to, as charged in disorderly conduct, 3-month delayed sentence. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters. Some are going to be dismissed for no officer. Some are going to be dismissed because of the plea. Stipulate the probable cause. Back to your
Yes,
fine.
yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, here we go. So, Mr. Gatewright, I'm just going to go ahead and set a sentencing date. I need for you to check in with probation. They should call you. You shouldn't have to get in touch with them. But if you find that time is going by and you haven't heard from them, then you need to contact them or the court. And that is for a pre-sentence investigation report.
It's not going to be the same one that.
It may or may not be. It may or may not be. But I'm going to refer the matter to probation. I'm going to give you a date of August 24th, 2026. I need that pre-sentence probation investigation report so that we can, so I can get an understanding of, a better understanding of who you are, and so I can have a better understanding of how the sentence I'll impose. I don't think that you need a substance abuse assessment, so I won't do that since you've been clear with alcohol. We're going to keep the same testing requirements in place until the date of sentence. And we will set a sentencing date for August the 24th. I just need a good phone number again for you so that we make sure that probation has the correct number.
586-367-6524.
So again, answer the calls. You have the number to probation too. You have the number. You know how to zoom into the court if you need us to help you get in contact with them. I don't think that you will, but and hopefully you do, just to be consistent, you do get the same probation officer that you had, but I can't say that that's going to happen. Just submit yourself to report when they do, and then we'll come back on the 24th, and I'll let you and Mr. Ragnon go over the report, and then we'll impose sentence on that day. Okay.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gathright, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you. Okay. We'll see you back on the 24th. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Madam Clerk, Madam Court Reporter, and the court officer, thank you for your services. And Mr. Gathright, just remember, one day at a time. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Right now.
Thank you.
I think he's got it. I think he got it. You know, hey, yeah. I went through the same issue myself, Mr. Gathright, and you know, I'm glad that I haven't had a drink since September 18th, 2007. And wow. I'll tell you what, had I still been drinking, I wouldn't be here right now. Like, hopefully I'd be on this face of this earth, but you just never know. But I definitely wouldn't be in the position I'm in now.
Right. Your Honor, I had the same situation. I haven't had a drink since April 4th, 1985. So I'm thankful to God every day.
Hey,
congratulations.
I tell you what, this feels so much better than those nights waking up and those days waking up intelligent.
Doesn't it?
Just, but you have to get to that. Everybody's got to get to that point on their own. Right. And I don't know if you want to get to that point because you just can't drink now. But once this is over with, you're free to do whatever you want to do. We just want to be responsible. That's all that really is about. You know, everybody makes their own choices.
Exactly. Well, God bless you, Your Honor.
All right,
God bless you.
God bless you too, Mr. Gathright, and we'll see you on the 24th. Best of luck to you.
I'm going to try to reach Prosecutor Horn now, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. You're free to leave, Mr. Gathright. 10 a.m. on 8/24. Simpson.
Okay.
All right.
Have a blessed day.
You as well. Okay, so